Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a yummy, smiley watermelon. First, let's draw a big half circle. This will be our watermelon. Now let's draw two big round eyes. Now we draw little black seeds. Drop, 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 just like little raindrops. Next, let's add a happy smile. Our watermelon is so happy. I love drawing and coloring. Now it's time to color. Green. Light green. Red. Watermelons are full of sweet water inside. That's why they are so juicy. We love eating watermelons in the summer because they make us feel cool and happy. Watermelons are very healthy too. They have lots of water and vitamins that help us grow big and strong. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.